Welcome back to our ServiceNow GRC series. In the last video, we explored privacy management, where we saw how organization can manage personal data, automate DSARs, and build customer trust by ensuring compliance with global privacy laws. Today, we are shifting gears to a closely related challenge: regulatory change management. The reality is that compliance is not static. Regulations evolve constantly, and organizations must be able to track, interpret, and adapt quickly. ServiceNow provides the right tools to make this process manageable and efficient. We will cover today's topic in four parts: understanding regulatory changes, ServiceNow capabilities for regulatory change management, the step by step change management process, and finally, the benefits organization achieve through effective adoption. Let's start with the bigger picture. Dynamic regulatory environment. Laws and standards around data protection, financial reporting, cybersecurity, and environmental impact are being updated continuously. Organizations need to keep pace or risk falling behind. Risk of non-compliance: missing a new requirement can result in heavy fines, operational disruptions, and damage to reputation. Tracking global standards. Multinational organizations face an even great challenge. They must comply with multiple frameworks across jurisdictions such as GDPR in Europe, CCPA in US, SOX in financial reporting, and ISO standard worldwide. Importance of agility. The faster an organization can identify changes and adopt policy, the stronger its risk posture and regulatory credibility. ServiceNow offers a robust set of tools that simplifies this process. Regulatory content integration. Organizations can integrate trusted external content providers into ServiceNow, ensuring that new laws and standards are updated automatically. Automated updates: instead of manually tracking changes across multiple websites or documents, ServiceNow keeps regulatory content current within the platform. Change impact assessment. The system can evaluate which policies, controls, or process are affected by a new regulation, helping compliance teams focus their efforts. Alerts and notification. Stakeholders receive timely alerts when changes occur, ensuring nothing slips through the cracks. This means organization can shift from a reactive approach to a proactive compliance model. Change management process. So how does this actually work in ServiceNow? Let's walk through the life cycle. Identify new regulations. Using integrated content fields, ServiceNow automatically captures new or updated regulations. Assesses impact on policies. The platform highlights which control policies or business units are impacted, so compliance officers can prioritize effectively. Update compliance framework. Policies, controls, and evidence requirements are adjusted in ServiceNow, ensuring ongoing alignment with new laws. Train stakeholders. Finally, updated guidance and requirements are communicated to employees, auditors, and vendors to ensure smooth adoption. This creates a closed loop system from identification to implementation, all within a single platform. Why does this matter? Let's summarize the advantages. Staying compliant. By keeping regulations up to date, organizations avoid costly gaps. Faster adoption. Automation reduces the time between a regulatory change and its implementation. Reduce legal exposure. Early detection and adjustment minimize the risk of fines and lawsuits. Enhance reputation. Demonstrating proactive compliance strengthens relationship with regulators, customer, and business partners. In today's environment, being able to adopt quickly is not just compliance, it's a competitive advantage. To recap, regulatory environments are dynamic, and missing a change can expose organization to significant risk. ServiceNow streamline the process with regulatory content integration, automated updates, impact assessment, and notification. and the benefit include compliance confidence, faster adoption, risk reduction, and strong reputation. In our next video, we will move into another critical area of governance, third-party risk management. Here we will explore how ServiceNow helps organizations manage vendor risks and strengthen resilience across supply chains. Thank you.